Hi, my name is Grace Mayhew, and I'm the teaching assistant in an 811 elementary academic program. I will be filling in for Miss Maddie during her absence. It's been a pleasure to get to know each of the students and their individual interests and skills. One of the projects I'd like to highlight that we've been working on this school year is the Community Classroom Tree Project. During that project, students and I walked around the school to identify and gather different types of leaves. We then were able to make leaf tracings and drawings, which we cut out and have put up on a big community classroom tree. So it shows each of the individual drawings that the students did and their contributions to it. And it was able to add to our discussion about what our classroom community is and our hopes for this school year. I look forward to working with the students further and gaining more knowledge about what their interests are.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Sorgule, and I'm a school counselor in the elementary academic program. I provide individual and group counseling services to my students, as well as in-class support throughout the school day. In-class support includes direct interaction with and observation of students within the academic setting, as well as working closely with a team of adults in the classroom. Group counseling focuses on strengthening social emotional skills, which is further addressed in individual sessions, along with individualized goals for the student. Please feel free to contact me via email, phone, or Microsoft Teams if you have any questions or concerns. Best wishes to you and your family for a safe and successful year.